next 5 to 10 years, I think that Western Victoria is going to be a very different landscape with a lot of wind farms popping up, and it's a great area for wind energy, and I think, yeah, it's going to look very different. There's just so many jobs coming up, which is just great for, well, a lot of different workers. I mean, my industry, it's really good. I think it's going to be really promising for the next 5, 10 years. And yeah, it just shows what an opportunity is out there for people getting into the industry.
In the industry I was in, we were doing roadworks, and in roadwork construction, it's a lot of finite resources. The impact to the environment is huge. So personally for me, I would like a job where I'm morally impacting the environment in a positive manner. It seems that with the progression that Victoria has in terms of wind farms and renewable energy, I do see it being a long-term career. It's actually very exciting, to be honest. It actually means we're making a great step in towards the power generation being predominantly wind-based. We're not using the wind for anything else, and it's great. We need to make more of it, definitely.
Really passionate about working in renewables, and being able to work in construction also support renewable in the future. The primary reason I became an engineer was to help, especially in regional areas, coming from a regional area myself.
When they first came, it was exciting and we had trucks everywhere and we really didn't know what we were in for, and then these great big white poles sort of went up. I don't hear them that often. From a visual point of view, they've enhanced our background, and pretty much as soon as the wind farm was built, word got around that we might be getting a new hub facility, and it just took off. We got a new kindergarten, a great new commercial kitchen that's still the envy of a lot of clubs around the area. Yet just the backing of the wind farm made that possible and made it happen really quickly.
The fund's made a pretty significant contribution. So we've done the extension on the CFA shed. We participated with the Councillor in building a new rec reserve facility at Aubrey. But beyond that, it's then the service groups that you've got in your community that are really important. So we've got 3 CFA brigades, and we've helped out with quick fills, with improvements to shedding, improvements to equipment, got new trucks. Again, and our money's quite often been used to leverage other public funds. I think what you see in a community sense, it brings the community together, and it's able to bring the community together because you've got that really nice mix of quite a significant number of landholders, but all your community groups are engaged. So you get that really nice mix of both community and individual.
12 or 14 years ago, a group of landholders out here at Dumronald got together and discussed the virtues of putting a wind farm out here. After a long period of time, it's eventually happened. The benefits to us landholders obviously are ongoing yearly payments for the life of the wind farm. That'll be a form of drought proofing, give us a dual income stream. I think the extra money in the local area will allow farmers out here to put more staff on. Obviously that money will get spent through the broader community. This has been a long time in the making. Like, it's great to seeing it actually happening. You know, obviously we've got to do something in regard to climate change, and so farmers to be putting back in regard to that, I see as being good.
Investing in a wind farm and supporting wind farms are very important. They come together in order to make a project like this come to pass. I wasn't aware of this type of investment before, neither from Germany nor from Australia. This is a very good opportunity for people to invest in renewable energy, even if, for example, they do not have their own house.